If you're a French learner wanting to improve your listening comprehension and practice some of those conversational skills, get ready to listen to a sample dialogue about organizing an outing to the cinema. This is a classic speaking exam topic, and we see it come up again and again in the A2 level, so upper beginner. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the French Speak channel, I invite you to click the subscribe button below and the little bell so that you're notified every week when I share a new video all about the French language, grammar, pronunciation, or some more listening like today. In this video, you'll hear myself and another French Speak teacher called Karine. Together, we're going to role play this simple French dialogue. It's not going to be too fast, but it's not going to be overly slow either. Just the right challenge for it to help you, like it's helped many of our learners who want to get better at conversing in French. Si on allait au ciné samedi soir?
Ah oui, très bonne idée. Ça fait longtemps. Qu'est-ce que tu as envie de voir?
Je ne sais pas, une comédie ou un film amusant peut-être?
Sur le programme, il y a un seul film comique et c'est un film d'animation.
Ben pourquoi pas? C'est sympa les films d'animation.
Ok, mais la dernière séance est à 16h30.
Ah non, c'est trop tôt. Je serai encore au boulot à cette heure-là. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a d'autre?
Le dernier film de James Bond, qui est un film d'aventure. Là, il y a une séance à 21h.
Oui, on pourrait aller à cette séance-là. Comme ça, après, on a le temps d'aller boire un verre et de discuter de ton nouveau travail.
D'accord, génial. On se retrouve à 21h15 devant le cinéma.
Oh, c'est un peu tard. Pourquoi ne pas se donner rendez-vous à 20h et on ira manger quelque chose pour le dîner avant le film?
Oui, bonne idée. Allez, à samedi alors.
Ciao!
Ciao.
Et maintenant, plus lentement. Si on allait au ciné samedi soir, the use of si with this imparfait of aller is to make a suggestion. So how about we went to the cinema Saturday night? Ah oui, très bonne idée. Ça fait longtemps. Yes, very good idea. It's been ages. It's been a long time. Qu'est-ce que tu as envie de voir? Envie de voir. What do you feel like seeing? What do you want to see? Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. Une comédie ou un film amusant peut-être. I don't know. A comedy or a funny movie, maybe, peut-être. Sur le programme, il y a un seul film comique et c'est un film d'animation. On the program, there is only one funny movie, comedy, and it's an animation movie. Ben, pourquoi pas? C'est sympa, les films d'animation. Well, why not? It's nice or enjoyable. Animation movies are enjoyable. Ok, mais la dernière séance est à 16h30. Okay, but the last session is at 4:30 p.m. Ah non, c'est trop tôt. Oh no, that's too early. Je serai encore au boulot à cette heure-là. I will still be. Au boulot is informal for au travail. I'll still be at work à cette heure-là, at that time that we've just talked about, at that time. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a d'autre? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a d'autre? What else is there? le dernier film de James Bond qui est un film d'aventure. Là, il y a une séance à 21h30. The last James Bond movie, which is an adventure movie. And it has, or there is, a session at 9:30 p.m. Oui, on pourrait aller à cette séance-là. Yes, we could go to that session. Or maybe to that very session. Or that session we've just talked about. It's just a lot of insistence. Comme ça, après, on a le temps d'aller boire un verre et discuter de ton nouveau travail. That way, afterwards, après, we'll have time, on a le temps d'aller boire, to go have a drink, grab a drink, boire un verre, and discuss your new job. D'accord, génial. On se retrouve à 21h15 devant le cinéma. Okay, great, amazing, super. It's just a suggestion. So just think of making a statement and raising your voice. We'll meet at 9:15 in front of the cinema? Question mark? Oh, c'est un peu tard, ça. Oh, that's a little bit late. Pourquoi ne pas se donner rendez-vous à 20h et on ira manger quelque chose pour le dîner avant le film? So, oh, that's a little late. Why not? Pourquoi ne pas? Give ourselves a meeting point, meet up at 8 p.m. and we will go and eat something for dinner avant le film, before the movie. Oui, bonne idée. Allez, à samedi alors. Yes, good idea. Well, or see you Saturday. Samedi is Saturday. See you Saturday then. Ciao. It's like au revoir. Bye. Voilà, so that's your dialogue about organiser une soirée au cinéma. Remember, when you're doing your exam, your speaking exam, if you end up pulling that topic out, you will get a couple of options. So if you do pick that one, just remember that you do have to be a little bit contrary, which is what we've tried to showcase in this dialogue. You have to show that you can negotiate, make suggestions, and come up with a solution on the spot. So we're meant to keep pushing back and negotiate throughout about the movie, about the time, about the day, what we do before, what we do after, so that you can showcase as much French as possible. Voilà, voilà. One last thing, if you are preparing for the French DELF A2 exam, I do have a free checklist that you can download just by going to bit.ly/A2 checklist. And it is a list of all the topics, as well as all the grammar points that you need to know really well before you sit that exam. So I'll put the link in the description below. I'm sure you're going to love it. If you are struggling with any aspect of French speaking or preparing for any of the 6 levels of DELF and DALF exams, French Speak is my online language school, and I would love to help. All the ways you can contact us are in the below description, and be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. It means the world when you do. And next you can check out the other videos that are in our playlist to keep perfecting your French and learn even more from me. Au revoir.